So today we're going to take a look at a versatile lanyard, and it's going to be made for any kind of micro tool. So I'm going to make this one for an Olight torch, and I want to set this and have it attached onto my car keys. So we're going to be using the pre-attached loop to achieve that. So first off, we've got 2 strands of paracord. I've got my 550 at 45 centimeters, and I've got my micro cord here at just over 30 centimeters. There's going to be minimal wastage here on the 550 and minimal wastage on the micro. So from the start position, we're going to create a loop using the left hand cord. So we're going to come around the back and loop it around. So we should be starting in this position. We're then going to take this working end, it's going to come over the top, and then it's going to come back through that loop, giving us our first snake knot. Pinch the 2, bring them together, and we've now got the first snake knot in place. Now this is going to be a double snake knot, so what I then need to do is bring this loop, follow itself around, and it's going to come back through there. Okay, so follow itself around, feed it through, and you can see now we've got the double loops. So we've done it with the strand, we now need to do it with the second strand. So again, following itself around, it's going to come through both of these loops and finish up out here. Pinch it, ensure it's nice and tight, and make the most. So I've got small hands, small wrists, so that will go over my wrist, giving me an attachment to any EDC bit of kit. Remember, that was 45 centimeters, so again, larger hands, you might need to extend up to 50 centimeters. So let's do that again. Now I've got 50 centimeters, so you can see the difference between the 2 lengths. So 45 and then 50 centimeters. Okay, so to attach the 2 lanyards so it becomes a bit more user friendly, all we're going to do is create the loop, and we're going to feed the micro tool around the extension, and there we have it. Okay, so you can extend it to the larger, and again, multicolour, choice is yours. But there we have